Now, the orange hand on there is the second hand. Every time it moves a second. So, just as there were 60 minutes in 1 hour, so there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. If you watch this big hand, it'll move to the 1 minute as the orange hand moves around the clock. So that's 1 minute. Now watch it again. It'll move round 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, and so on, until it gets to 60 seconds, which is another minute.